Yeah, actually, I'll go. I'll do it.
Mary. Oh. Well, I guess I don't have to worry about you, Mary. I have to worry about Ashley jumping on a button.
The button just looks so tempting.
They do.
Very
jump it.
tenderizing
Just
indeed.
jump
It says
it.
don't push, but
Just jump on his head.
but,
and
but it
jump
says don't push. I mean, I kind of do want to push it.
over. Oh my god. It's the easiest thing in the world, guys.
Okay.
Easiest thing in the world. Oh my god, Ash. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm
I'm
okay.
sorry.
I don't think Ashley's played a single game of Mario in her life.
I did. I have.
I don't think she's played.
I have.
Oh my god.
Can I
That's
grab
the thing.
fucking liquor? I cannot do this sober. Holy shit.
Ash, you okay over there?
Sober
Okay,
game.
I'm okay.
I cannot.
Alright, I'll stay so you guys can jump over.
Okay.
Do it.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go. Okay.
fine.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
I did.
Okay.
Alright, jump
fine.
up. Come on, you got it. You got it. You got it. Go.
And then Noble messes up.
Oh, no! You fucking jinxed it! Why did you do that? 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 Why did you do that?
Wait, me?
So bad. Fucking dog water. You're so bad.
Why did you do that?
You're so bad.
Why did you do that?
So bad.
Oh my god, you're really bad.
I can't believe you did that.